Can you say hello? Do you think it's gonna be a good Thanksgiving dinner? Yeah? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about making a $30 pre-made Thanksgiving dinner because I can't cook this year. I mean, look at me. Okay, honestly, it's not really about the looks, it's more about the physical pain that I've been in when I walk. It kind of feels like my pelvis is like grinding against itself and it really hurts. Even though I'm laughing, I kind of laugh when I'm in pain sometimes. Kind of laugh about my own pain sometimes. I don't know if that's weird, but I do. I don't want to be standing up for a long time or anything like that. But at the same time, like, Thanksgiving dinner is one of the more important things to me of the year. So like, I can't just skip it. So I usually do like 2 Thanksgivings a year because like my birthday is the week before Thanksgiving. I'm 24 now. I usually do like a Thanksgiving for my birthday because I'm all about food. And then I do like an actual Thanksgiving. So like mom and grandma are gonna be cooking for Thanksgiving this year. And I will assist them from a bar stool if I can. I have actually done a Walmart grocery pickup. So we are going to go and get the groceries at 11 o'clock. No touching the lens. Say, I just brushed my teeth. It's time for breakfast. Say bye-bye. You guys ready for breakfast? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get you a fork right now. So Thanksgiving for me is more like mashed potatoes, corn, some gravy, and some type of like non-meat meatloaf, like a cottage cheese loaf. Okay, so we're on our way to go and pick up the Walmart grocery pickup order, and hopefully like everything is there. If not, maybe we will be down a casserole or 2. I'm gonna put on my shades. Eli's making me look bad.
Am I?
Yes.
I got a cow look on my head.
Alright, now I got my shades. Now I'm just as cool as my husband. Yeah.
Well,
Actually,
it's a lot better than mine right now.
okay, so we were just leaving the Walmart and everything was available, so happy! We're gonna start making stuff when we get home. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Clay, please take that hat off your head, Mr. Happy. So, we'll see you when we get home. Okay, so we are back home. The boys are playing outside. Eli's watching them. Okay, so it's time to go over all the stuff that we got. Okay, so I'm just gonna come out and say that Thanksgiving is canceled. I'm kind of upset because I asked the Walmart lady if everything was there and she told me like, yes, everything was there, everything was in stock. I just checked on the app and it said that both the mashed potatoes and the mac and cheese like weren't in stock, so they didn't come. All I'm gonna say is no mashed potatoes, no Thanksgiving. The Pilgrims would have just moseyed along. We're going to do this. I don't know why my like pregnancy emotion is like kicking in and I feel like tearing up. I'll be back. The show must go on, so we are going on. So what I got is this green bean casserole by Happy Foodie. You bake it for 35 to 40 minutes, 400 degrees. A sweet potato casserole. I don't actually like sweet potatoes at all, but I do like my husband, so they both bake at the same time, which is amazing because like, I mean, it would be kind of weird if they didn't, they're from the same brand. This is the turkey that we're having for my mock Thanksgiving. It actually says turkey right there. So we're doing it. And to go with the turkey, we've got some brown gravy right here. McCormick has like quite a few gravies. I have not found any that are vegetarian except for this gluten-free one. These are the ingredients in the gravy. We have these dinner rolls. We have corn that was supposed to go with my mashed potatoes, but we're not gonna talk about that. Cranberry sauce, the jellied kind, because that is the only kind I will eat. Also, I'm one of the only people who likes cranberry sauce at all in my family. But anyways, okay. Classic iceberg salad, which isn't the healthiest salad, but you know what? We're going with it for Thanksgiving. This isn't the healthiest Thanksgiving at all, but we're still going with it because look at me. Okay, stuffing. And then for dessert, we have pies, because who doesn't like pie? And this way you would get your own pie. So it works out very well, I think. I also got this ranch, which I don't know why I got ranch. Oh yeah, the salad. So this is our Thanksgiving, because we have no mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. But it's gonna be fine because there's food and I'm a happy foodie. Okay, so I am sitting down for a minute. We're preheating the oven to 400 degrees right now. The rolls are actually supposed to bake at 350, but I am a little bit unconventional. I don't like waiting for the oven to like lower temperature back down to like 350. So I'm gonna put them in at 400 for around 5 minutes, like towards the end of the baking of those thingies. But yeah, I'm gonna get started now. By the way, this is what my stomach looks like today. Ba-dum-ba-dum. I actually feel kind of cute today. It's like, I did my hair, I did my nails. Yeah, my hair's a little bit of a frizzy thing, but I still feel cute, so that is all right. Okay, so these are actually really small, and that's okay. So is our family. So you're supposed to like take the film off and bake it in this thingy. I'm very weird about stuff like that, so I'm not about to do that. Okay, so the timer just went off. Daddy? The boys came inside. Huh? You say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hey.
Who's your new friend on Xbox?
Popcorn.
Say Tachi.
Taki.
Okay. Tachi's a family friend. And he just learned how to say his name, so he's really excited about it. Okay, so the timer just went off for the oven preheat, and I am about to put these guys in right now. I put parchment paper here so I can put like the rolls and burgers here after. Probably won't have enough room, but we're gonna make it work. Eli's in the kitchen making stuffing like my grandma used to make it. Just kidding, my grandma never made stuffing. None of them did. Watch him whipping Nene. Wow, you scare me. Come on, come out of the kitchen, child.
Maybe you should like not be right next to me.
All right, come on. Let's take you back to the room. Let's take you to safety. Come on, you're a civilian. Let's go.
Wow.
They said we needed chicken broth. Look, you can reach the chicken up there, right? Look, the Bill's Best chicken and seasoning. 2 teaspoons, please.
Too far.
Elijah, I swear. Say more. Go find your brother, please. Out of the kitchen.
Almost ran over my stomach.
Oh, very good, very good.
Stuffing right here.
Stop.
Too much of it though.
I need to sit down.
Okay.
I can just sit here and look cute all day. Eli, do the cooking. Happy mom? Happy foodie. You know. We are making gravy now.
I'll be back.
After 40 seconds, this is what our gravy looks like. Fully gravied. Oh, there are the ingredients. Now it is time to bake the pie, just like my mother did. Just kidding, my mother never baked any pie. With just 12 minutes on the clock, we're throwing in those Boca burgers, folks. They're partially thawed and ready to go. We're gonna need to fix those a bit. We're also gonna throw in some bread rolls because I like them crispy. And we're ready to go back in the oven. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. I figured that the best way to make a small dinner look big is to make the table smaller. But anyways, so we have the dinner rolls, we have pie, we have gravy and ranch, we have some corn, we have some turkey, we have some green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, stuffing, tons of it, and then we have some salad.
And this gravy's good. I might actually have to have some stuffing on the plate, but that's it. Not bad. That was really good. I'm gonna take all of it off your plate.
I warmed it up for him anyways. Thank you guys for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye. Guys, say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and tap that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon. More videos come, so please stay tuned.